Hello everyone, my name is Paramita Karsahani. I will present a theme, namely uniqueness in ethnicity and nationality. Indonesia is a country rich in cultural diversity as seen from the large number of ethnic groups spread throughout Indonesia. Each tribe has its own characteristic and identity, ranging from language, custom, art to beliefs. 1. Language. Language is one of the main identities of the uniqueness of the culture of ethnic group in Indonesia. For example, the Batak tribe, which is known for several types, has different language such as the Batak Karo language, which is different from the Batak Toba language. 2. Diverse custom and tradition. Each tribe in Indonesia has its own unique custom and tradition, which are passed down from generation to generation as a valuable cultural heritage of the tribe. This tradition not only includes traditional ceremony but also regulate the daily life of the community. For example, the Batak tribe has the tradition of Mangalahat Hurbu, which is a ritual of gratitude for the harvest, while the Minangkabau tribe address to matrilineal system that makes women the main heirs of family property. These various customs show how rich Indonesia is in diverse traditions that are still present to this day. 3. Diversity of religion and belief. In addition to culture, Indonesia also has a diversity of religion and belief. Although the majority of the population is Muslim, there are also many Christian, Hindu, Buddhist, and local beliefs that are still practiced. Each of these religion has its own tradition of ritual that are often combined with local tradition, creating a unique and harmony synergy. For example, Hindu in Bali combine religious teaching with various traditional ceremony, such as the Odalan ceremony in temples held to commemorate the temple anniversary. Meanwhile, several tribes in Papua still practice animist tradition, which reflect their strong connection with nature. This diversity of belief show the high tolerance in religious life in Indonesia, where every and religion live side by side in harmony. 4. Typical culinary from each region. The diversity of Indonesia culture is also reflected in the typical dishes owned by each tribe and region. Indonesia cuisine is famous for its rich flavor and abundant use of spice. For example, Padang Guisi is full of spice such as rendang, which is recognized as one of the most delicious foods in the world. The reason why I choose the theme because I'm interested and want to show how rich and beautiful Indonesia, not only with its natural wealth in its region, but also with its culture. This cultural heritage is what we must always maintain, preserve, and develop to the international level, such as traditional Indonesia clothing, namely batik. How we as the next generation of the nation make batik more famous in developed country and allow for cooperation between Indonesia and other countries and improve the economy. Case example and challenge related to the STEM. The entry of foreign culture in Indonesia through technology, culture, and social, where the presence of the foreign culture seems to dominate and always become the center of social, so that the impact is cultural shock and the weakening of the nation cultural values. So how does the entry of foreign culture make a positive impact? Namely, by changing the mindset and forming modern community group, for example, increasing creativity and innovation. Conducting cultural exchange to provide opportunity for the next generation to advance and preserve their culture. Solusi, the cultural diversity of ethnic group in Indonesia is very valuable wealth and a national identity to be proud of. Each ethnic group brings its own unique characteristic and contribution, from language, custom, arts to cuisine. Despite the striking difference, all ethnic groups in Indonesia live side by side and complement each other, creating a harmonious social life. Preserving this diversity is a shared task, so that this rich culture can be passed on the future generation. By appreciating and understanding each other culture, we can build a more tolerant and peaceful society. This cultural heritage is an important asset, the strengthen of nation identity, and make Indonesia a country rich in cultural diversity. Okay, thank you.